Shop owners all around the country generally get into the business for their love of repairing cars. However, the mundane day-to-day shop operations can take a toll on them as they let their shop control their days. How much do we complicate running a successful shop? Could there be a more manageable way? Let's take a look at some of the characteristics that successful businesses have in common. First up, we'll want to build a strong, educated team. Your auto repair shop is defined by the quality of work and trustworthiness of your team. Therefore, it's vital to hire talented team members that are committed to growing and learning. Once you've solidified your team, it's up to your shop to invest in proper tools and training for them. The better trained your techs are, the faster and more efficient your repairs will be. Next, strive for efficiency. Days can be hectic, from answering phones to handling walk-ins. We get it, your shop is busy. Knowing this, there are jobs and tasks that become more automated to save you time. This is where automotive technology comes in. One key feature of bolt-on software is our integration capabilities. Our products bolt on to your shop's software, which saves time when transferring customer and vehicle information. With automotive technology, repair shops are able to maintain a higher car count with the time that is saved. Lastly, prioritize customer convenience. Make your customer's experience easier and more convenient by utilizing self-check-ins, texting approvals and status updates, and pre-scheduling appointments for routine maintenance. The shops that make it quick and easy for their customers will earn their repeat business. Setting standards and building processes for your shop with these characteristics allow for growth with the owner at its forefront. Read more in our latest blog to set your team up for success, linked in the description below. And remember, Bolt-On is here to help grow your business.